Hey guys, welcome back to another video tutorial, and this video is about drop down list. So what we're gonna be doing is creating another list item beside all these, and then when we hover over the list item, it's gonna display a drop down menu or a drop down list item. So I have commented out the rest of the code for this video, and let's begin by creating a list tag, and we're gonna class it to drop down, and our list tag will contain two other tags, which first one would be an a tag and type the name, and the second would be a div tag, and this div tag will basically contain all the links to our drop down menu items or whatever the menu items you want. So let's say link 1, I'm just gonna create 3 of those. This would be link 2, and this would be link 3. Alright, and I'm gonna class the div tag to drop down content. Alright, so we created a list item which has an a tag called my account and a div tag which has 3 more links, link 1, link 2, link 3. These are the drop down menu items which will be appearing after we hover over this a tag over here. So now if I refresh it, you can see we got 3 links and we got 4 links over here, but this is just the HTML part. And now we're gonna edit the CSS file. So go over to the CSS and type in drop down content and display that to none, because initially when you load the screen we don't show the drop down screen. So now the drop down list items are invisible, and what we want is when we hover over this link over here, the drop down item should be displayed. So for that we got dot drop down hover dot drop down content and display that to block. Alright, so now when I hover over my account, this 3 links appear, and when I move the mouse away they disappear, they go back. Alright, so that's the drop down list, but let's make it a little more good looking. So what we need is we need to display these 3 links below each other and in a box with different colors. And also when I hover over my account, it drags the entire nav bar all the way to till over here. It increases the height, and we don't want that. So first thing what we need is to edit the drop down a tags. So drop down content a tags and display that in block. So now they are below each other, see that? And now we don't want it to drag in the entire nav bar all the way down, so for that we need to display position it absolute, and also we need it to be above the screen, so type in z index 1. And now when we hover over it, you can see these 3. Okay, I'll just change the color to black. Okay, so now we can see these 3 link tags over here, which appear right after we hover over my account. So now what we need is to display these 3 links inside a box, give them a box, and add a few styles to the box as well. The next thing I'll be doing is drop down content a hover, because I don't like the color which appears after I hover these 3 links. So I'm gonna change the background color to gray. Let's see how that looks. Yep, that looks good, I guess. Also, I need to provide this a background color. Not gray, not black. F9, F9, F9. Yeah, this color is a little better. Yeah, you can see that color over there. Also, we can change this one to F1, F1, F1. These are a few color codes that I remember from the past videos that I created. Okay, so I hope you can see the box over here. Let me just add the border to show you how the box looks. Okay, so now you can see the box which is appearing after we hover over the my account link tag. So what we need is to increase the width of the box to 150 pixels, and that's a big box. And the next thing that we can do is provide some shadows. So just remove the border and type in box shadow, and we have seen how to create a give a box shadow to the boxes or the div tags that we create in the last video. So refer to that video if you don't know how to type and give shadows to the boxes. So get RGBA and 0,0,0,0,0.2. Alright, this would be the final step. Yes, so this is how you create a drop down menu. Now that you hover over this link over here, a box appears with a shadow and it's appearing right above the screen because we provided Z index to 1, and that's it. That's how you create a drop down list. I hope you like the video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe.